Videos like these have generated me hundreds of sales, and unlike what most people think, they do not cost a lot to make, they do not require you to show your face, and you can make months worth of content like this in less than 5 minutes. That's why in this video I'll showcase exactly how I made this video, how to film demos that convert, how to get clips like these for hooks, and how to put everything together to promote your app organically. Now the reason we're doing organic is because it has the lowest barrier of entry, and it's the easiest one to scale. You don't need a lot of money like paid ads, you probably already have a phone to post this content with, and it can go viral like this one and get you users and paying clients just like this. So let me show you how you can make this. Now we're going to be starting with the demo part of the video. This is the part that showcases your product after the hook. Basically the video is made up of like 3 or 4 parts. You have the hook video, hook text, demo video, and the audio. What most people get wrong is they overcomplicate the demo, which means people do not convert. The thing is, you're not trying to make a tutorial of your product. You're just trying to showcase it. So let me show you exactly how I would film a demo for a product like VidCloner. VidCloner is a video cloning tool that you can use to create UGC and all sorts of stuff. So let me actually walk you through it, show it to you live how I would film a demo for this product. What we're gonna do is just use our phone because we want to look as organic, as simple as possible, as if I was filming a video for my friend, right? That's what organic means. That's what UGC videos mean, right? It's user generated. It's not professional. I could go ahead and screen record on my computer, but then it will look too polished, too professional, too salesy, right? So what I'm gonna do, let me start recording on my phone. Let's get it ready. And what we're going to do is simply show no more than 3 steps of using this product and generating some sort of desired result. The main thing to remember here is you do not want to show a tutorial of how to use your app completely, because you're not teaching people here how to use your app. You're just showcasing to people who never seen your app what it does, right? People don't care how to use it. All they care about is what kind of result they will get. So here's what I would do. I would press record. I would use my finger or a something to point. I would show the domain name, VidCloner. Then I would tell people to like upload avatar or something. Then go to create tab, you know, or whatever, inspiration. Like you go here, you select one of the videos. Let's say clone this. You select avatar, clone, and then all the videos, and I showcase the end result, which is videos like these, right? That's literally all you need to film a perfect demo that converts. As quickly get to the result, the desired result of your targeted audience as possible, right? The tutorial, the guides on how to use your product come after the user converts and actually starts using your product. So what I will do now, I'll get the video that I just recorded, I'll upload it to my drive, basically any way you want to send it to your computer. And what you'll need to do next is open your preferred editing software. I use CapCut. Upload the demo we just recorded and cut it up. Now, before I do that, I like to add some songs and the hook usually. So let me find a song. Now, if you need a library of songs that you can use for Instagram and TikTok, just let me know in the comments below and I'll share it with you. I have a ton, like motivational ones, cringe ones, viral ones, whatever, right? Pick any song you like and edit it to the beat, right? So here, I'm gonna remove audio from this one. First, I'm showcasing the domain name, right? Just a couple seconds, then I'm showcasing the avatars, upload avatar, then showcasing the picking video, right? Clone this, select avatar, clone this, and then showing the result. Now, we're keeping it super simple, super quick right here. You should, of course, A/B test this. I would do it for all different versions of the product, of the videos for VidCloner. So you can upload your own videos, you can upload TikTok URLs, you can remake videos, right? So I would make multiple demos to see which one works best. This one is just quick one from inspiration tab. You have even dance videos. You can search creators, right? I would make a lot more demos. The main part is keeping them quick to get the result and keeping them fast, right? And simple to understand. So right here, as you can see, we get to the result in just like 9 seconds, right? The user sees the domain name. We can even skip this step to keep the curiosity. We showcase that you upload. Probably won't even need the uploadal part, right? You can cut out the fluff and A/B test, of course. Then showcasing that you find a video, clone this, Now this is a wrong example because I'm cloning the wrong video and showing here the wrong video, but you understand the point, right? here we go. We have the guy singing with a goat, and that's it. What I would do here is probably cut this off, add a CTA, something like comment me for the app. You do that. I'm using CapCut because it has the same identical font to TikTok. And that's it. Now, that's our demo done. Now, for the hook part, what you would need is engaging clips like these. As you can see here, I have this pretty girl. That works pretty good for the hook part. So to get these, go to this app called ugcdrop.com. Here you can actually browse and find thousands of videos to use for your TikTok and Instagram marketing. What you would do is you just filter by tags, for example, 18, 25, maybe someone with straight hair, looking surprised, right? And you will find a ton of videos. Let's do real ones. You can do AI real ones, sort by bigger. And here you go, you have a ton of videos that you can view and download immediately. They cost like pennies, right? Instead of paying UGC creators hundreds of dollars, you get them for like 20, 30 cents, right? So you would download as many as you need. Usually just pick one creator and reuse that. Upload the hooks to the start of the video, of course. Maybe let's make it much shorter. Yes, here we go. Add the hook. Now, if you don't know what to write in the hook part, you can actually use the same app and go to the hooks library. I do not have the access to it, but you'll find a lot of text hooks you can use, right? So add a text hook, like for example, I would say, is this even legal? You know, something like that. This is broad. Maybe you can do it more specific. And then I'm showcasing the app, right? So this is the power of making UGC videos yourself, filming the demo yourself, and combining it with apps like UGC Drop for the hook videos. Now, to make like hundreds of them, enough to post for a month, what you would do is usually just this. For example, create a compound clip and then copy it, paste it for each hook. Now you maybe want to change this a little bit, you know, maybe increase the speed or whatever. But now every new video, every new hook is a new video. Here we have a different girl surprise, right? So here we would say, been creating content for 3 years and never knew this existed, right? This is another hook, right? And then the same demo following it. Now, you would do this for hundreds and hundreds of videos, different hooks with different demos of yours, and this way you'll have enough content to push out, to post every single day, and with enough work, you'll hit results like these. 9,000 comments of people asking for this resource doc. By the way, if you want it, I'll link it down in the description below. And I'll also link this app as well, right? And this one for cloning videos. Now, render these videos out, post them on Instagram, cross-post to Threads and Facebook, post them on TikTok, on YouTube, and soon enough, you'll have videos pop off. Now, if you want to see me showcasing how to use this app more in depth that I filmed the demo of, I suggest you take a look at this video. Otherwise, everything else is linked in the description. If you have any questions, please let me know. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.